We're here in Portugal. Oh, I love him for doing stuff like this. Hopefully the bird doesn't hurt him when he's trying to free it. Portugal.
Yeah, on
in the Algarve. We've been here 2 days already, but we've really just been sitting on the beach, so.
Today's day one of an adventure. It's lovely, it's warm, it's down in England, and we're not sorry. Having a bit of a mission today. We're gonna have a walk over to that town over there, along those cliffs.
2 kilometres from where we were staying.
Yeah. Villa Lara, I think we're in. I have no idea what that town is, but it's
Yeah,
over there.
maybe we'll know when we get there.
Hope so.
Just going to take a photo of this amazing beach, just to see. It's actually a nudist beach, and there was a little naked man walking across. Decided to wait until he'd walked out the shop before I pressed record. Yeah. Made it to the lagoon. Ryan has gone down there to help a seagull. It's obviously got its leg caught and can't fly away. Oh, I love him for doing stuff like this. Hopefully the bird doesn't hurt him when he's trying to free it. Stinky Ryan trying to get mud off his shoes. So we're here at the lagoon. Just had a little stop off. We found like a little shed that talks about the different birds. I came off the path to have a look at it. It's really beautiful here. We've seen loads of fish, loads of birds, loads of what was that blue bird?
Purple.
A what?
It was purple.
Okay, the purple bird.
Purple bird. It's a bit of an endangered species. Some spoonbills, some herons.
Stork.
A couple of storks.
Yeah, it's very
Finfishes.
pretty here. It's very different. It's like, you think all there is to do is just sit on the beach, but we're looking for some, a bit more than that. It's been very nice to come and see something different.
Yeah.
And Ryan's covered in mud because he's been in a swamp to save a seagull. So you're not too happy, are you?
No, stink. Oh well.
Okay, come on, Stinky.
Okay, bye.
swamp load. I just get to sit here and watch this.
So we're all about the adventures, and as you can see, Susie's progressing very well in the art of sea tubing. Doing well, little Suze.